welcome to Sports Psych for Youngsters. I hope you're doing well. This introduction is meant to quickly explain the idea that I had when creating this series of short videos. Throughout my time as a sports psychologist, I've met a lot of young athletes that have been struggling to find someone that can work with them on the mental side of their game. So early on, they recognize that being nervous or having certain fears before a performance is actually quite significant and changes their ability to perform at the highest level. They also told me that it's quite difficult to find resources online that they can really use, and therefore I had the idea of creating a few short videos that will explain some of the basic concepts and will also come with a handout that then allows you to work on these topics by yourself at home. Let me very quickly start with an overview what we mean when we speak about sport and performance psychology. Traditionally, and this is oftentimes confused, psychology has been a science that is focused a lot about people that are struggling from mental problems and the tools that we can use to get them back to a state where they're no longer suffering. Quite often it is overlooked though that these tools, which could be things as simple as goal setting or maybe even breathing exercises, any kinds of interventions that help these people to get better. A set of these tools can also be used in a different way. We could start with people that are doing well and that are not struggling from anything. Use a specific set of these tools to actually help them become better, which is called the field of positive psychology. As you see, we are in a different dimension here. And this is where we place sport and performance psychology. As you see, we are working with people that are not struggling from mental problems, but we are using psychological tools to help them improve to become the best they can get. I hope this was helpful. I'm always happy to share further reading and additional information. Please reach out and I hope you enjoy the series of videos.